Are you the victim of a snorer? You're not alone. 54% of married couples say their partner snores. But as Michelle Skierman reports, a made in Calgary device could soon have both of you sleeping like babies.
It's not that bad.
That's what he thinks. People who snore often don't realize just how loud they really are.
If I'm not in a deep sleep and I wake up, then I can't really get back to sleep again.
Hi, Vic. How are you today?
Vic Close is a typical snorer, an older, adult male who's slightly overweight, though females snore too. He's agreed to try a new anti-snore device called Empowerix.
It's a little awkward to begin with, but you do get used to it.
Snoring is both a breathing and a sleep disorder caused when the airway becomes partially blocked.
It's the tongue falling back and blocking the airway. For many cases, it's just a simple tongue position that's in the wrong place.
Oral appliances that reposition the jaw are already available, but they can be expensive and painful. This inverted soother actually suctions the tongue out of the way.
I was surprised and excited how simple it was because it didn't pull the jaw, instead it pulled the tongue forward. So we don't get the joint and the muscle issues, but we open up the airway.
Treat that condition. It's been 2 weeks for Vic, and so far,
The first night that Vic used it, it was fabulous. I had a really good sleep, and I think Vic had a good sleep too.
in fact, it works so well, they might need 2 of them.
So does she snore?
Yeah.
Really? So Kathy, would you ever try it?
Yes, I
Yes, you will.
Michelle Skierman, Global News.
The Empowerix device forces you to breathe through your nose, so you can't wear it if you have nasal issues or if you have a cold. If you're interested in trying it out, you can log on to our website. Just click on HealthBeat and then follow the links.